Welcome to Khordha, the most educated and historic district of Odisha. The name derived from two words, Khuro and Dharo, means razor and edge, probably because of soldiers of Khordha were brave and sharp. The fighter community called Paiko are based nearby Barunai hills of Khordha. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I came to Barunai Hills, a hill station and a historical place 30 km away from Bhubaneswar, the capital of Orissa, to visit and to showcase like what all things it is having. Local people say the goddess Barunai and Karunai used to go to war with King of Khordha in white and black horse. It was difficult for any king and Britishers to victory Khordha kingdom. But Britishers found a way from one informer how to stop both the goddess helping Khordha king. And finally, Khordha king lost the war with Britishers in 1827. This tea, which is flowing from the top of the hill called Swarna Ganga, has lot of medicinal values. Now I am going to the hilltop of Barunai Hills. I heard it is having caves where Pandav during their Vanvas came here and rested for a night and left. So now I am going towards the hilltop and it is something 500 meter or say 600-700 meters away from here, and I'll go to the other side of the hill and it is having Pandav caves. This road is going to the top of the hill, but road is not so great. So here the proper road is finished, and from here I need to go by this small road to the top of the hill. I'm sweating like anything. I came to other side of the hill and now I'm going down. You might have seen it was little scary for me because I was coming alone. But no animals on the way. No snakes, no animals, no insects. But still I was holding a stick. It is little scary, but nothing is there. And from here, the view is really awesome. I'm going towards Pandav cave. People say during Vanvas, Sita had cleaned the utensils using the water from this small tank. The cave is little away from this place towards the down, but I'm not able to see the roads properly. So let me try to go down and search the road. This is the road you need to come through, and after coming here I found the way to go down. I'm able to hear voice of people. So I think many people are already there. So this is the cave. Finally I found this Pandav cave. So this is the Pandav cave. Finally I reached here after half an hour, and people are coming here to have food, take rest, and here you can see some statue, God and Goddess statue. Om Namah Shivaya is written over here, and this is a nice place. Yeah, from here the view is also really awesome. See, after reaching cave, whom I found out, see how the earrings are, the tattoos, and this is other side of the hill. You can come through this way as well, but this road I heard it is not so good. Here in the wall you can see the story, the picturization of fighter community of Odisha called Paika of Khurda. So you can see how they used to fight with Britishers before the independence. So this is the picture of Paika Bidroha. So this is the way they killed Jairajugur, the commander of Paika, and Britishers were finding very difficult to victory the Khurda because of Jairajugur. So finally they killed him like this. After Barunai Hills, I came here to Khurda Fort, which is the fort Britishers acquired in 1827 after they acquired across all the parts of India, and this is the last fort of their victory. So this is called last independent fort of India. The fort is almost broken, like you can see few walls are here, nothing much left, and our government is trying to reconstruct it, but nothing much to showcase here. But this is a history place, that is why like I came here and wanted to showcase this. This has lot of history related to India's freedom struggle with Britishers. Hope you liked my content on Barunai Hills and the history of Khurda. So bye for now. I'll come up with some new content in my next video. Keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe it.